Hey, it's Elizabeth Schneider with Wine for Normal People, and this is your video commentary on episode 596, which covered the old world versus the new world. It was a back to basics episode. I have not covered this topic since 2011. It was episode 7, crazy long time ago. And this is on the old world versus the new world and why these terms still matter. Now, there are some people that have argued this over the course of the last however many years I've been doing this podcast, 15. And I am making an argument in this podcast that really we still should be using these terms. They're really important to us as wine lovers. I talk about the definition of old world versus new world. I throw in the ancient world, or the very, very old world, I think is what I call it in the episode also. The new world is essentially where wine spread from the old world. The big sticking point for a lot of people is there a stylistic difference between the old world and the new world? And I make the argument that indeed there is, and we should still be using those terms to connote a stylistic difference. I give 3 very concrete reasons. I talk about historical reasons and geographical regions. I talk about soil types and climate, latitude, things like that are very, very important. And then I talk about the laws, which really are the thing that dictate everything in Europe and dictate nothing in the New World. So if we think about this, these are still very, very important and pertinent terms in terms of style comparisons. My recommendation at the end of the show, and you'll hear me talk about get off my lawn because I totally go on a tirade at the end, is about stopping comparing the old world and the new world. And people stop saying it's Burgundian in style if it's something new world. And I also think we need to expand the terms and the categories for new world. New world really gets the short shrift when it comes to descriptions, which is why we keep referring back to the old world. But you can't really have wines that are like the old world unless you're there. So we need a new lexicon is what I say, but certainly we should still be using these terms, and we absolutely should be using them for style. So you can argue with me all you want. You listen to the podcast and then we'll chat. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you next time.